This is a used 2008 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, electric trunk, command system, heated seats, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, a DVD system, memory seats, a premium sound system, alloy rims. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.